So what are you building, Jonah?
An ark.
What's in the ark?
Animals.
How many?
40 animals maybe.
Cool.
The animals go twosies by twosies on the ark.
Very cool.
You want to watch this one?
Yes.
You want to watch the door of this one fall out?
Yes.
Okay.
Very cool.
Like that. Push this in a little bit. And then hit foot, and then the little lid falls out. That's
Cool.
the door, so you can go bump bump. Z1 runs to get out and get some water from the land. Bump 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 bump. Going out.
What's that on your wrist, Jonah?
What?
What's on your wrist?
This is what I made at school.
Cool.
And it's a